Hi Sarah, hi everyone. I just want to leave my testimonial video here for you just to show you how much I appreciate everything you've done for me. So my name's Anna Nguyen. I am a accredited trainer here in Melbourne at A Nails Beauty and Training. So my journey started in 2 months ago, and when I met Sarah and joined Concept to Course group coaching program, and it has changed my life. And you have no idea how much you've helped me and how much I've grown through this journey. And through your guidance, support, I have managed to create a lead magnet that I have now launched and a membership site all in 1 month. And I'm so indebted to you. I appreciate your help, and you have no idea how much it's changed me. I've become a better person, a more confident person on camera. I never thought I could do any of this techie stuff. I thought it was very overwhelming to create a course. I did not know anything about email marketing, and through your course in the membership, I've managed to learn so much, and now I've created automations and everything. So I am so grateful. I am so grateful to you, and I recommend this course. If any one of you is starting, wanting to start an online course or want to create one, I recommend you join Concept to Course program with Sarah, and she'll be able to change your life, and where I am today is like me where I am today. And so thank you, Sarah, for everything you've done. You have no idea how much it's changed my life. So I will continue to support my fellow members, course creators inside the Facebook group, and continue to see everyone grow. And I will see you around. Thank you.